In the last video, we told about step-by-step to create your own AI influencers, but we haven't mentioned how to change her poses. So in this video, we will explore the technical steps, practical applications, ethical considerations, and advanced techniques to maximize the potential of AI influencers. Step 1. Connect to Google Colab. To begin, you need to set up the Google Colab environment, which provides a cloud-based platform for running Python code and accessing powerful computational resources. 1. Open the Google Colab notebook. Start by clicking the provided link to open the specific Colab notebook designed for this task. 2. Connect to the environment. Click the Connect button at the top right corner of the Colab interface. If the button is not visible, navigate to Runtime, change runtime type. Select GPU from the hardware accelerator options, preferably a T4 GPU, and hit Save. Then, reconnect to the environment. Step 2. Run the code. 1. Execute the code. Once connected, click the play button to start running the code cells. This process may take a few minutes. 2. Access the interface. After the code executes, you'll receive a Gradio link. Click this link to open the web interface. Step 3. Use the web interface. The Gradio interface is where you will input your prompts and upload images to create and modify your AI influencer. 1. Prompt section. Enter a detailed description of your AI model. For example, a beautiful girl with curly black hair, wear glasses, wearing a red bikini. 2. Input image. Upload an initial image to serve as the base for your AI influencer. 3. Advanced options. Adjust settings like aspect ratio, image quality, and other parameters to fine-tune your output. Step 4. Generate your AI model. 1. Enter a detailed prompt. Be as specific as possible with your description to ensure the generated image aligns with your vision. 2. Generate the image. Click the Generate button to create your AI model based on the provided prompt. 3. Review and save. Examine the generated images, choose the best one, and save it to your device. Step 5. Change the pose. Now, let's change the pose of the generated AI influencer. 1. Upload the generated image. In the Gradio interface, click on the input image box and upload the AI model image you saved earlier. 2. Select Face App option. Choose the Face App option and move the slider to maximum. 3. Upload reference image. Upload an image that features the pose you want your AI influencer to mimic. Switch to the Canny option for better pose matching. 4. Add prompt details. Include specific details in the prompt, such as wearing a summer dress. Click Generate. Step 6. Review and adjust. After generating the new pose, review the output images and make any necessary adjustments. 1. Check the output. Ensure the AI matches the pose of the reference image. If there are minor issues, such as problems with facial features, use the Upscale and Variations options in the Gradio interface to fix them. 2. Upscale for quality. To improve image quality, upload the output image to the Upscale and Variations section. Select the upscaling version, e.g. 2x, and click Generate to enhance the image quality and resolve minor issues. Step 7. Experiment with different poses. Don't stop at one pose. Upload different reference images and tweak the prompts to see how your AI influencer adapts to various poses and environments. 1. Try different scenarios. Upload various reference images to explore how your AI influencer fits different poses and settings. Examples. Holding a cup of coffee. Upload a reference image of someone holding a cup of coffee and adjust the prompt accordingly. Different environments. Use images from various settings, like outdoor scenes or professional photo shoots, to see how your AI influencer blends into different backgrounds. Marketing and advertising. AI influencers are transforming marketing by allowing brands to create dynamic campaigns without the logistical constraints of human models. By changing poses and settings, marketers can tailor their content to specific audiences and platforms, increasing engagement and reach. 1. Dynamic campaigns. Use AI influencers in various poses and environments to create a diverse range of visuals. This flexibility supports seasonal campaigns, special promotions, and targeted advertising without the need for new photo shoots. 2. Targeted content. Customize AI influencers to appeal to different demographics and social media platforms. For example, use a casual pose for Instagram and a professional pose for LinkedIn. Social media content. AI influencers can maintain a consistent brand image across social media while adapting to different contexts and trends. This consistency helps build brand recognition and loyalty among followers. 1. Consistent branding. Use the same AI influencer in different poses and settings to ensure a cohesive brand image. This approach helps in establishing a strong visual identity. 2. Engaging posts. Create engaging and interactive social media posts by showing your AI influencer in various activities and environments. This variety keeps the content fresh and interesting for followers. Creative projects. Artists and content creators can leverage AI influencers for a variety of creative projects, from digital art to storytelling. 1. Digital art. Use AI-generated images as a base for digital art projects. Enhance and modify these images to create unique artworks. 2. Storytelling. Illustrate stories or graphic novels using AI influencers as characters. Change their poses and settings to match the narrative and bring the story to life. Advanced tips and techniques. To further enhance your experience and results, consider these advanced tips and techniques. Post-processing techniques. Even after generating the images, you can further refine them using post-processing tools. Post-processing techniques. Even after generating the images, you can further refine them using post-processing tools. 1. Photo editing. Software. Use software like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP to enhance colors, adjust lighting, and remove imperfections. 2. AI enhancement tools. Tools like Topaz Gigapixel AI can upscale and enhance the quality of your images even further. 3. Combining images. Create composite images by combining different elements from multiple AI-generated outputs. Ethical considerations. As with any AI technology, it's essential to consider the ethical implications of using AI influencers. Ethical use. Avoid creating misleading or harmful content. Transparency. Always disclose when using AI-generated images. Conclusion. That's it. Now you know how to change the pose of your AI influencer using a free Google Colab notebook. The process is straightforward and doesn't require advanced technical skills. Enjoy experimenting with different poses and settings, and have fun creating diverse AI content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.